Why you need DOA? It's very simple. Because you need an organization to declare design compliant. When you have damaged the aircraft is no longer airworthy because it is no longer as per the design. If you got crack in the crack was not there. The aircraft was good, and the aircraft is only airworthy with no crack. Now you have the crack, you have to repair the crack. You have to repair the crack to restore the strength. Most importantly, the strength. In process of doing the repair, you must go back to the design requirement, show compliant. Whatever you do along the process to repair, you still remain compliant with the requirement. So the DOA is given the privilege to design, repair, conceptual. So what conceptual? Normally very standard that we have. We got skin, we got crack, we put a doubler. So this is conceptual design. If you got crack on your skin, you put a doubler. That's concept. Then this box here is the certification basis. So you have to go back and look at the airworthiness requirement. If you talk about A320 737, you're talking about Part 25, large aeroplane. You have to go back, look at the paragraph. Every paragraph in the certification requirement or airworthiness requirement, whether any of those paragraphs affected by the repair. So then, after you have decided, then you go to the authority. Authority agree with what is the cert basis. The cert basis is the set requirement for you to do the detailed design. So this is concept, but this is detailed design. Detailed design means that you have repair, this is doubler, you have the material, spec, the thickness, you have how many number of rivets, what type of rivets, what are the edge distance, what are the spacing between rivets. So this is detailed design. So detailed design here should be according to the airworthiness requirement. It should be according to the certification basis which you have agreed with the authority. This should be agreed with the authority first. Then you go to design, you show compliance. So show compliance to the airworthiness requirement that you has been agreed here, and then someone else will verify. Compliant verification. After everything is done, and then you declare compliant. Then you got the repair to be approved. So here is a job of show compliant engineer. This job of compliant verification engineer. And along the process, if this is a major repair, CAA may become and look at what you have done, and this process is type investigation. So type investigation is a process where CAA is involved to look at what you do in the process of getting the approval. For example, you are designing or you are repairing seat cushion. Seat cushion require burn test. So you have to get the burn test plan to CAA to approve, and then you have to do the burn test. You may want to have the CAA may want to see it. If they don't see it as a witness, they may delegate to you to be the witness. So means that for the burn test case, the CAA may involve. So the involvement of the CAA we call it type investigation. So here is where your HODO, head of design of the organization, send out all the document by declaring, say, design is good, according to the standard, according to the SOP of the company, according to the quality management of the company, show compliant is also technically good, acceptable, everything has compliance been shown, verification also has been shown, everything is done according to the quality management system, according to your design organization manual, then HODO send out and declare everything is according to your approval. Then they get approval. Then you can get the repair to be embodied into the aircraft. I will explain in detail later what is the airworthiness requirement and how we deal with it, what are the content. So for now, this is a general process of getting the repair to be approved by a design organization. So this is the process you have to go through if you have a design organization. If not, you don't have to go through this. You just send the report to OEM. OEM will come back with a repair proposal or repair design, and you can embody straight away, or you may ask for CA to endorse that data. So that those are evidence data. So when you come to here, whatever drawing, whatever process spec, whatever information that you used by the people to do the repair, this is a worthiness data.